Today, we're introducing STRAVIX Meshed. We will be applying this to an open wound on the leg following an incision and drainage procedure. As you can see, we have exposed bone, nerve, and tendon. And so we're using this as a wrap over the exposed tissues. And it's a little bit tricky because the leg slides down, so sometimes the graft can slide down. So one of the ways to help mitigate that is to have a good assistant hold for you, make sure it doesn't slide down. And the other is to dry off the STRAVIX a little bit, because that makes it a little less slippery. But you can see this is a 4x7 wound, and we have a 3x6 STRAVIX, and that fits perfectly. So assistant is going to hold there. We're going to cover over the tendon. We're going to cover over the bone, and we are going to cover over the nerve as well. And what's nice about the meshed is the fact that it covers a larger surface area, and you have to worry less about the possibility of hematoma and seroma forming underneath the graft. And you can see it fits really nicely. It contours very nicely to the surrounding tissue. You can sit it where you want it to. You can stretch out as much as you need. Suture through the graft. And because this is meshed, it is side naive, so you don't have to worry about if you're putting the correct side down onto the wound. And you can see it sits very nicely. I'm just going to tack down the corners so you can see how it fits really the whole wound. And so you can use a smaller graft for a larger wound. It'll hold up to, or it'll stretch out to 30 square centimeters. And so a 7x4 wound is 28 centimeters squared, so we can get a little bit larger on the wound if we need it, still have enough material. And we'll just tack down the final corner just to demonstrate how we can stretch the graft down. And it's a nice alternative to just allowing the wound to heal in, or even a split thickness skin graft since you have exposed tendon, nerve, and bone. Okay. And you can see you would tack in a few more here. If it's slightly elevated in the center, you can either use a bolster dressing on here to press it down, or you can apply a stitch down in this area over the periosteum.